Well, I'm doing this because I want to raise funds for RAFA. I'm a veteran as well.
My reason here is important. I was a Royal Air Force officer myself, air traffic control, and I broke my back.
I'm here today to do the Wingwalk because I'm actually serving in the Royal Air Force, and I know RAFA do a lot of stuff for families, for veterans and people serving abroad. Fantastic charity, and I know it'll help everyone worldwide. Amazing day, absolutely fantastic.
Completely exhilarating. For me it's like Formula One, it's like seeing the speed, wind in your hair, weightlessness. It's something uninstinctive. It's something where within humans, like, we're not meant to fly, but there's something there where I feel, with Mum being in the Air Force and Granny being in the Air Force as well back in the day, it's been in both of their blood.